Hey, hello guys, this is Himanshu Rai and I am going to explain geography from Ghatna Chakra, and as you know many of the questions will directly ask from the previous year question, and it is the collection of previous year question from UPSC, PCS and other state examination. If you are preparing for these examination, you're most welcome. Let's start the questions. The Tropic of Cancer passes through which of the following state? There are total 8 states by which Tropic of Cancer passes, and those states are here you can see in the explanation. These states are Mizoram, Tripura, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Gujarat. If we go through west to east, it will be Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Then answer will be here Jharkhand, and option B will be correct option. Let's move on next question. Next question is the Tropic of Cancer passes through which of the following state? As already said, it passes through Gujarat, right? Chhattisgarh, yes. Jharkhand, yes. But it doesn't pass through Uttar Pradesh. So it doesn't crosses Uttar Pradesh. So option we will eliminate third statement, that is Uttar Pradesh. So elimination by elimination method. This is cancel. This is cancel. This is cancel. Option will be A. It is the right answer. Let's move on the next question. Tropic of Cancer passes through. Already I have said it passes through Madhya Pradesh, Mizoram and Tripura. Then answer will be D. D will be the right answer. Let's move on next question. Through how many Indian states does Tropic of Cancer? The answer is very simple and answer is 8 states. That is B option. Let's move on the next question. The state of India through which Tropic of Cancer passes is Jammu Kashmir. No, wrong answer. B. Himachal Pradesh. This one is also wrong. Let's move on the other option. Bihar. No. Uh, and the option will be Jharkhand. D option is correct. So, friends, remember Bihar don't have line of Tropic of Cancer. Okay, move on the next question. Tropic of Cancer does not cross which of the following state? That is Manipur. Manipur located north to the Tropic of Cancer. It passes through Tripura, Chhattisgarh and Mizoram. Next question. Which of the following town is nearest to the Tropic of Cancer? The answer will be Gandhinagar. Let's see the explanation. If you go through the explanation, you will find here the latitude of all these cities, Agartala, Gandhinagar. So then you can see Gandhinagar is the nearest to the Tropic of Cancer. But how you will solve this type of question? You cannot remember all latitudes for all cities. Hence, you must have some ideas which city will come closer to the Tropic of Cancer. The closer city is Gandhinagar. Let's move on the next question. Among the following cities, which one is nearest to the Tropic of Cancer? Which one is nearest? Then obvious it is the Kolkata, because Tropic of Cancer doesn't passes through Delhi. Although Tropic of Cancer passes through Rajasthan, but Jodhpur is far away, and also Nagpur is far away. So let's move on the next question. Here we have next question. Which important latitude divides India into almost two equal parts? Which, see, here is the Tropic of Cancer passes through the in middle of India. So 23.5 degree, this line, but it is in north, the northern hemisphere, Tropic of Cancer. Then answer will be D. What is the name of the line which is 23.5 degree? It is called Tropic of Capricorn. Capricorn. Let's move on the next question. Which of the following Indian state lies north to the Tropic of Cancer? So you must know, actually, Tropic of Cancer divides India equally into two parts. So you must remember which state comes north to the Tropic of Cancer and which states come to the south. And also you must know how many states Tropic of Cancer passes through. So the answer will be Manipur. Actually, Tropic of Cancer passes through Jharkhand, Mizoram and Tripura. Hence, your answer will be Manipur. Manipur located north to the Tropic of Cancer. Let's move on the next question. Which among the following places will have maximum day length in the month of June? How you solve this type of question? In month of June, mainly in 21st June, it is called summer solstice. What is called? Summer solstice. And the day length will be longer in the northern hemisphere. And which city is located more northward? It is Delhi. Then option will be D. Here is the explanation. You can see tropic of here see you actually sun directly overhead to tropic of Cancer on 21st June. So the answer will be Delhi. Let's move on the next question. We are starting the new topic here, standard time. As you know, all countries are adopting some standard timeline, and these timelines are divided into 7.5 degree of longitudes for timelines. As you know, Greenwich line is called 0 degree. After that 7.5 degree longitude is taken as the timeline for the each country. Actually, it is an agreement that each country will adopt in the multiple of 7.5 degree. So actually, 7.5 degree is equal to 30 minutes. Actually, the for 15 degree, it is 1 hour time. So it is divided for the 30 minutes. Okay, and here in India, the standard timeline is 82.5 degree eastward. So remember these points, and you will be able to solve the question. Here is the 82.5 degree longitude, and it passes through the 5 states in India. Which are those states? Uttar Pradesh near Mirzapur, you can say Allahabad, and after that it passes through Chhattisgarh. Then this is the Odisha, and this is the Andhra Pradesh, and somehow it is touching line of Madhya Pradesh. So these are the 5 states. Which are these states? Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and here Andhra Pradesh. Let's solve some questions. The first question is, when there is a midnight at IST, at Indian Standard Time, it is midnight. That means it is 12 a.m. Right? A place observes 6 a.m. and one place somewhere is located and observing 6 a.m. What is meaning of 6 a.m.? That means it is 6 hours ahead of Indian Standard Time. That means if you calculate the longitudes, then it will be 6 into 15. That means 19 degree longitude ahead to the Indian Standard Time. So what is the question? The meridian on which the said place is located is. Then we will add this one and 82.5 degree, that is Indian Standard Timeline. Let's add. It will come 172 degree and 30 minutes is. Then answer will be B. Here is the explanation. You can see the explanation the same way I have calculated. If you want to read this, you must pause the video and you can check this out. Okay, let's move on the next question. How many hours of time difference will be there between most western village of Gujarat and the most eastern village of Arunachal Pradesh? This is Velong. See, it is the Kandala, which is most westward to the Gujarat, and difference between Gujarat initial point of India and the last point of India for the longitude is 68 degree longitude and 7 minutes for the Gujarat, and it is 97 degree and 25 minute for the Velong, that is in Arunachal Pradesh. The difference is almost 30 degree. Hence we will divide 30 in by 15, then we will get 2 hours. The answer will be B, that is 2 hours. Here is the explanation. You can pause the video and you can check out the explanation. Let's see the next question. Consider the following statement. Longitude of Jabalpur located between the Afinder and Bhopal. This is the wrong. Let's move on the next statement. Longitude of Aurangabad location is between those of Vadodara and Pune. This is the right. Bengaluru is situated more southward than Chennai. Yeah, this is also right. Actually, when we see the map and we see Karnataka is northward to the Chennai. but actually somehow Bangalore is located southward to the Chennai. Then this answer is correct. Then 2 and 3 will be right statements. Then check out the options. Then option C will be the correct. Here is the explanation. You can go through the explanation, pause the video and go through the explanation. I don't think you must remember all these latitudes. You just have to prepare some map exercise and then you will get the answer. Let's move on the next question. Which of the following city is close to IST, Indian Standard Time? This question has been asked in the MPPCS 2008. The answer will be Rewa. As you know, Indian Standard Time passes through 5 states, and that is Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and then Andhra Pradesh. And it passes through the Mirzapur district. It is hence it is the 82 and half degree. Okay, remember this. It can be asked Mirzapur, Allahabad, or Naini. All three options are correct, right? Let's move on the next question. Here you will find the next question here. The question is this is a numerical question. If it is 10 a.m. IST, that means it is 10 a.m. at Indian Standard Time. What would be the local time at Shillong at 92 degree? It is asking the local time, right? Then what we will do? We simply subtract from 92 to 82 and half degree. That will come 9 and half degree. For 1 degree it is 4 minutes. Then for 9 and half into 4 it will come 38. That means the local time at the Shillong will be a heat to 38 minutes from the Indian Standard Time. That then answer will be 10 and 38 a.m. The option will be B. Here is some explanation. You can go through the explanation and you will find the answer. Let's move on the next question. When it is noon at Indian Standard Meridian, noon, that means it's 10 p.m. What would be the local time at 120 degree east longitude? 120 degree east longitude, that means it is saying it is a heat of 120 degree from Greenwich line. That if we divide 120 from if we subtract 120 minus 82 and half degree, it will come 37 and half degree. If we divide 37 and half from 15, we will get 2 hour and 30 minutes. Yeah, that means it is a heat to the Indian Standard Timeline by 2 hour and 30 minutes. That means 12 plus 2 hour and 30 minute. Answer will be 14 hour and 30 minutes. The answer will be B. Let's move on the next question. The Indian Standard Time meridian does not passes through. It does not passes through which state? Does not passes through the Maharashtra. I have already said it passes through Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and Uttar Pradesh. And also it passes through uh, Odisha and Madhya Pradesh. Let's move on the next question. Standard Indian Time meridian longitude passes through which of the following town? Obviously, it is answer is the Allahabad. It passes through Mirzapur, Allahabad, Naini. You must remember these places. Let's move on the next question. Which of the following longitude is known as the standard meridian? And it is 82 degree and 30 minutes. Let's move on the next question. The Indian Standard Time is taken from which of the following city? It is taken from the Allahabad, Naini. Already I have told them this. Okay. This is a numerical question. Let's solve it. How much is difference between Indian Standard Time and Greenwich Mean Time? If you have mug up this question, it is very easy for you. It is option B, because Indian Standard Time is 5.5 hours ahead to the Greenwich time. Actually, Indian Standard Time is located on 82.5 degree. If we divide 82.5 degree from 15, As we know, for 1 hour it is 15 degree. So we divide 82.5 degree from 15, we will get 5 hour and 30 minutes. The answer will be B. Let's move on the next question. If the sun rises as Tirap in Arunachal Pradesh at 5 am, remember it is called 5 am and that is Indian Standard Time. Then what time will the sun rise at Kandla in Gujarat? As I have already told, it is about 2 hours ahead the time of in Arunachal Pradesh. So what we will do, definitely it rises at 5 am at in Arunachal Pradesh. So in Kandla we will add 2 hours more. So answer will be 7 am. The answer will be C. It's because just you have to remember that time difference between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh is almost 2 hours. Let's move on the next question. Some extreme points here. Let's solve these extreme points question. As you know, many questions are being asked that what is the most southward point of India, what is the most northward point of India, what is their longitude, what is their latitude. This type of question are being asked. So let's see the extreme point. For extreme east, it is Kibithu in Arunachal Pradesh. Remember this for extreme, and it is almost 27 degree and 25 minutes. The extreme point for the north is the Siachen in Ladakh. This area comes under the control of Pakistan. It is Pakistan occupied Kashmir. This area comes under the occupation of China. And for the westernmost, it is Guhar Moti near the Kandla in Gujarat. And for the mainland, remember it is the mainland, and it is the Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu, which is located in 8 degree and 4 minutes. And for the most southern part, from if include island also, then it is the Indra Point in Great Nicobar. If it is being asked you the what is the most southward point of India, then answer will be Indra Point. If it is asked us what is the most southward part of mainland of India, then answer will be the Kanyakumari. Let's check out some questions and we will find our answer. The southernmost point in India is, then it is the answer will be the C, Indra Point. Let's move on the next question. Here we have next question. Here is some explanation. You can read them. Already have explained them. Where is the southernmost point of India located? Then it is located at the Great Nicobar, as I already told. It is the Indra Point. Let's check out the next question. The southernmost point of India, Indra Point, it is in Great Nicobar. Let's see the next question. Name the place in India where Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean meet. At which point it meets at the Kanyakumari. It is the southernmost part of mainland of India. Must remember mainland and all over the India. Okay, these are the two different type of questions. Which one of the following pair of state of India indicates the easternmost and westernmost state? Which is the easternmost state? It is the Arunachal Pradesh, and westernmost state is the Gujarat. The answer will be D option. Here is the correct option. Let's check out. This question has been asked in the IS Prelim C. The question can be very easy. You must know the some fact, then you can solve this question very easily. And conceptual clarity must be there. Let's move on the next question. The westernmost point of the India is, what is the westernmost point? 87.5 degree east actually. And this is west. No, west is west to the Greenwich time. That means it is wrong. India is located eastward to the Greenwich mean time. So the answer will be 68 degree 7 minute east. Okay, in Gujarat. Let's move on the next question. Which one among the following major Indian city is most eastward located? So what will be the answer? Hyderabad, Bhopal, Bengaluru, and Lucknow. The answer will be Lucknow. See, check out the some facts. Here you can see The most eastward is located is Lucknow. This type of question you can solve very easily if you know the location of state and their capital cities. These questions are become very easy. Let's move on the bordering countries of India. They are neighbors of India. See, Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Maldives, and Sri Lanka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is the ninth country. And there are some natural boundaries and other. We will check them in the question. From Pakistan, there are few states which having the boundary like Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir, Pakistan, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. By Afghanistan, it is only Ladakh. From China, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. Bordering state with the Bangladesh is Mizoram, Tripura, Assam, Meghalaya, and West Bengal. By the way, you must know the largest boundary between India and any neighboring country is with the Bangladesh. For Myanmar, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram. These are the states which share boundary with the Myanmar. Myanmar is also called the Golden Pagoda. This is a question can be asked in any examination. Let's check out some questions. Here is the map. You can exercise map. Here you can pause the video and you can exercise. Let's move on the questions. Where are the questions? Here. The first question is this question has been asked in the IS examination 2006 prelims examination. Let's check out the statement. Assam shares border with Bhutan and Bangladesh. That does is true? Yes, it is true. West Bengal share border with the Bhutan and Nepal. Bhutan and Nepal. Next question. Mizoram shares border with Bangladesh and Mizoram. Mizoram share with border with the Bangladesh and the Myanmar. What will be the answer? Check out here. Assam share border with Bhutan and Bangladesh. This is right. West Bengal share border with Bhutan and West Bengal share border with the Bhutan and Nepal. Mizoram share border with the Bangladesh and Myanmar. Then all hence answers are true. Then answer will be 1A, 1, 2, and 3. All statements are true. Let's move on the next question. Here some map exercise. You can do this map exercise and you will get the answer. Extension of the international boundaries of India along with their neighboring country is ascending order. Then extension of international boundaries of India along with the neighboring countries, the ascending order, you have to tell in the ascending order. That means in increasing order. Then the largest boundary share with the Bangladesh, then China, then China, then Pakistan, and then Nepal. The answer will be B. So okay. So here we have the explanation. Go through the where is the explanation? Right here. See the explanation: Nepal, Pakistan, China, and Bangladesh. You must remember this order. Let's move on the next question. Which one of the following state does not form the border with the Bangladesh? Which state? This is Manipur. Manipur form boundary with the Myanmar. Okay, here are some state which form boundary with the Bangladesh. That is West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura. These are the Indian state which shares boundary with Bangladesh. Let's move on the next question. Indian state bordering Bangladesh are. Here is a simple question. Which are the state? Nagaland doesn't shares. Here Sikkim, Bangladesh doesn't share. Meghalaya, Assam, West Bengal, and Tripura. Here you can check out Nagaland here also. Then elimination method you can apply and you will get the answer. Then answer will be C option. Meghalaya, Assam, West Bengal, and Tripura. Move on the next question. Which one of the following Indian state does not share border with Bhutan? Which state doesn't share border with the Bhutan? Definitely it is Meghalaya. Meghalaya doesn't share border with the Bhutan. Actually, Meghalaya share border with the only one Indian state, and that is Assam. Okay. Meghalaya does not share here is the explanation. Meghalaya does not share border with the Bhutan. Let's move on the next question. Which of the following state in India does not share border with Bhutan? Same. So Assam, yes. Sikkim, share, yes. What are the other options? Arunachal Pradesh shares, yes. Which state doesn't share? Bihar. Option C. Let's move on the next question. In November 1998, composite dialogue process between India and Pakistan include three contentious issues listed below. 1, 2, 3 contentious issues are disengagement of troops, settlement of boundary dispute, sharing river water. So you must know where these incidents happen. So here dispute has been settled in Gujarat boundary, Gujarat and Pakistan boundary, that is Sar Creek area. Disengagement of water sharing is about C option, because here Indus River passes, and settlement of disengagement of true happen at the B. So let's check out the options. One A1 is 2, C1. Then we eliminate option C and option D, and B is 2. Sorry, B is 1. B is 1. Then option will be A option will be correct. Here is the A is 2, B is 1, and C is 3. Let's move on the next question. Which of the following Indian states share maximum boundary with Myanmar? Which state? Definitely it is Arunachal Pradesh share maximum boundary with the Myanmar. If you see the map very closely, you can observe this Arunachal Pradesh here. This is Sikkim. This is here. Arunachal Pradesh is located from here to here. Then maximum boundary is shared with the Myanmar is this one, and it is Arunachal Pradesh. Let's move on the next question. Where is the next question? Here we have next question. Which of the following Indian state shares its boundary with Pakistan? You must know the state, and you can apply here elimination method. Definitely Himachal Pradesh doesn't share boundary with, and Punjab, Jammu Kashmir, Rajasthan, and Gujarat it shares. Haryana doesn't shares, and Himachal Pradesh against doesn't share. So by elimination method, you can also solve this question, and this question has been asked in UP, UDA, and UPPCS examination. Let's move on the next question. The group of Indian state neighboring Nepal. Which state has neighboring Nepal? Assam. You can also apply here some elimination method. Haryana doesn't shares. Sikkim and Bihar shares, right? Sikkim and Bihar shares boundary with Nepal. Then answer will be B. Next question. Which of the following state of India does not have common border with the Myanmar? Which state doesn't have common? Assam have? No, Assam doesn't have common boundary. So here, but Assam does not share the common boundary with the Myanmar, because after Assam, it is the Nagaland and Manipur located towards eastward. So option will be Assam. Let's move on the next question. Next question is here. Which one of the following countries share longest land frontier with India? It is the Bangladesh. Bangladesh share longest, then China, and then Pakistan, and then Nepal. Which of the least boundary share India shares with Afghanistan, right? Which of the following, next question is, which of the following state does not form its boundary with Bangladesh? Which state doesn't form? It is Nagaland actually. Nagaland, it is eastward and it share boundary with the Myanmar. So Nagaland doesn't share boundary with Bangladesh. Next question. The boundary between India and Pakistan was demarcated by, it is Red Cliff Line. McMahon Line is between India and China. Durand Line, you can say India and Afghanistan. Actually, this line is actually between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Okay, let's move on the next question. And this magnet line is between France and Germany. You must remember this line. Magnet line is between France and Germany. Durand line demarcated the Indian boundary with which of the following country? It is demarcated between India and Afghanistan. Move on the next question. The boundary line between India and Pakistan is an example of, it is actually superimposed, because it has been made by the, it is man-made boundary actually. Some boundaries are natural boundaries, but it is man-made and it is called superimposed. Let's move on the next question. What is Red Cliff Line? It is a line between India and Pakistan. Okay. Next question is, which one of the following line demarcates India and the southeastern part of China? And this is McMahon Line. It is between India and China, and it is actually southeastern part of China. Okay. Let's move on next question. McMahon Line form boundary between India and China. Option will be A. See, questions are being repeated after many times, just because these questions are being asked again and again in various examinations. Let's move on the next question. Which of the following separates India and Sri Lanka? Which separates? It is Pak state separates India and Sri Lanka. Let's move on the next question. Next question, here we have the next question. Which state of India has border with the three countries namely Nepal, Bhutan, and China? It is Sikkim. Sikkim is the state which share boundary with three international boundaries or three countries, that is Nepal, Bhutan, and China. Let's move on the next question. Which one of the following state of India has an international boundary on its three sides? Same question, and international boundary with the three sides. It is the Tripura actually. Tripura form international boundary with the Bangladesh from three sides. The answer will be C. Now, in the next class, we will see the physical division of India. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.